Disabling two-factor authentication on SoundCloud can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the SoundCloud website or open the app and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Security Settings. Click on it to access your two-factor authentication options. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, you should see an option for two-factor authentication. Select this option and follow the prompts to disable it. You may need to enter a verification code sent to your registered email or phone number. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, make sure to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication has been successfully turned off. By following these steps, you can easily disable two-factor authentication on your SoundCloud account. Always remember to keep your account secure with a strong password.